Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker, and today I'm going to show you a super simple way to dress up your lantern with this cute little lantern swag that I made in the mini Bowdabra. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my mini Bowdabra and I'm going to cut a piece of Bowdabra Bow Wire, and I'm going to lay this down because I'm going to need this to tie my swag onto my lantern. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my magnolia and kind of lay that in. It's very tight, so I'm going to have to help pull this apart a little bit. There we go. And lay my magnolia into my mini Bowdabra. And this is great because you can totally make a mini swag or wreath. I'm just going to kind of shape this as I go. Lay these down in here. Then I'm gonna take my other little flower and put that this way, and lay one of these going this way, and put this one going the other way. And now I'm going to add my tails, and I've already dovetailed the end, so we're just going to lay our little carrot ribbon, which I just think is the cutest. And now what I'm gonna do is make a little bow, and we're just gonna twist it. I'm going to fold it back over and twist. We're just going to make a small bow in this, and this is going to be a great little swag that we can put on our mini lantern. And I just love that we can make these in the mini Bowdabra. So please, if you're watching, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Facebook and check out our blog for tons of projects. Now, I don't have my wand, so I'm just gonna scrunch everything down with my fingers. I'm gonna pull my Bowdabra bow wire and pull this up here, pull it through the slip knot, pull it tight while it's still in my mini Bowdabra, and I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna separate the ends, bring it around to the back. I'm gonna tie a knot and double knot it. Then what I'm gonna do here is, let's start with our little center loop, bring our loops up here, and we're just gonna shape out our loops and shape this here. So I'll just finish fluffing this. And now I'm gonna take this and take my lantern, and we're just going to bring this through here. Whoops, actually I want to go the other way. Bring that through there. And now I'm going to just tie this, and I'm going to tie a little bow just because it makes it easier to change this out for every season. And bring this up so you can see it from the front. And you have this really super simple lantern swag. And remember, you can change it out with different ribbons and different silks for every season. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.